Okay, Lila, our last task today is rolling. Do you remember rolling? Yeah? When we're rolling, I want us to remember to keep one hand on the ball. So we're gonna hold the ball with one hand, follow through, and release with that same hand. Only one hand, not two hands, only one hand on the ball. Okay, Lila, next we're gonna be working on underhand rolling. For this, I'm gonna have you grab a friend, grab a teacher, grab a parent, and you're also gonna wanna grab a pillow, just like what I have here. So we're gonna start by underhand rolling and kneeling. So I'm gonna kneel on the same leg that I'm underhand rolling with. So I'm underhand rolling with my right, so I'm gonna kneel on my right. And then I'm just gonna roll the ball to my teacher who's on the other side, or my friend. So I'm just gonna, like a clock, tick tock and roll the ball. Get it back, same thing here, foot forward, take the ball, roll it back and forth. And my eyes are on my target, and I'm only holding the ball with one hand. Here, back and forth, eyes on target. Now you try. Okay, so now that we've got the roll down, we're gonna add force. Do you remember when we talked about force in Lime Hollow? There's heavy force, and then there's light force. You can hit something really hard, or you can hit it really soft. So force can be applied to rolling too. So when I roll something, if I roll it really hard, it's gonna go really fast. Ready? Whoa, really fast, and it's gonna come right back to me. But if I roll something really light, it's gonna go really slow. So I want you to try that with me. So we're gonna take the ball in our one hand, we're gonna throw it really fast, and it's gonna come right back, and then we're gonna throw really slow, with no force at all. Do you think you can try that? I want you to try it 2 times, throwing it really hard, and 2 times throwing it really soft. Remember, we're only using one hand when we're rolling. Okay, Lila, lastly, we're gonna underhand roll to different targets. So to underhand roll to a target, you're gonna wanna direct your hand toward that target. We're still gonna be kneeling when we do this. I have my target set up. My one kitchen cabinet will be my one target. The middle of my stove will be the other target, and my other kitchen cabinet will be my third target. Okay, so I'm gonna kneel on my pillow, and I'm gonna take my ball, and I'm gonna practice rolling to the middle target, to the left target, and then I'm gonna practice rolling to the right target. Keep doing that. So I have different targets in different space. So middle, left, and right. I want you to practice now. Set up some targets in your house that you think you can roll the ball to. Roll them to each target and practice. Okay, Lila, those are all the tasks that we're doing for this activity. You can go practice some more and get really good at them. Great job.
Let's review. Rolling with one hand only and different directions, left, right, and center.